once my property is repaired, can I retain the housing unit on my property and use it to house members of my family or even rent it out?
We can sell to occupants who need to make that unit a longer term housing plan. We typically say a permanent housing plan, but sometimes it's not necessarily needed for permanent residency rather than just a much longer term. Some applicants have qualified for programs that may take 5 or 6 years before they can, before they make it to the top of the list for repairs, like through the community development block grants. That can take years. So an applicant may want to purchase the unit in order to stay in it until such time as that's completed, which would be sufficient. But we can only sell as is, where is, to someone who's going to stay in the unit themselves, not as rental property. The only caveat to that is it has to be permitted by the local officials. Most of our permits are for temporary placement. So as long as the local officials are willing to permit it and it's actually going to meet a need for that household's housing, then sure, we can sell it.